Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo X using an easy method. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes. Think of it as building a skeleton for your drawing. Use light lines to sketch the main body, ensuring you capture the car's overall length and height. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions correct before adding details. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into the recognizable form of the Evo X. Focus on the sleek body lines and the aggressive fender flares that define its sporty look. Carefully sketch the iconic front grille and the sharp, angular headlights. Then, move on to the wheels, drawing perfect circles for the tires and rims, ensuring they fit within the wheel wells. With the main body in place, it's time to bring out the finer details that make the Evo X so distinctive. Add the side mirrors and the subtle lines for the doors. Pay attention to the unique design of the rear spoiler and the taillights, capturing their specific shape. Don't forget to include smaller elements like the window frames and any visible vents, enhancing the car's realism. Finally, let's bring your Evo X drawing to life with shading and final touches. Use varying pressure to create depth and dimension, making the car appear three-dimensional. Darken your lines to define edges and cast shadows, giving your drawing a polished look. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.